It's a lazy Saturday morning and I'm just about ready to replace the stylus on my Fluance RT-81 turntable. As you can see, the packaging just arrived for the replacement stylus, which is an Audio-Technica ATN95E. So the next step will be to remove the older stylus from the tone arm. Hold the tone arm securely, unscrew to the right, and gently pull out the head. There you go. So studying the manual that came with the replacement stylus, we see instructions that come in various languages. So for our sake, let's take a look at English. Okay, great. So this is going to be pretty easy. So removing the old stylus involves just pulling out gently in the direction of the arrow and then sliding the new one into place. So that should be easy enough. So there is the new stylus in place, secure on the tone arm, and everything is looking pretty good. So that is how you replace the ATN95E stylus on your Fluance RT-81.